Hello guys, welcome back to Cartitude. Today I'll start the video a little bit different. I'm not with the car now because in the moment when we worked on this car I was ill, but we filmed the full process and I will just show you in a minute exactly what we did on this car. It's about a Porsche 981 GT4 and we did a full front-end extended PPF, Expel Ultimate Plus, bumper, bonnet, wings, mirrors, A-pillars, front roof, rocker panel kit, but let's go to see the process and I will come back after that. As you've seen in the process installation, we did a full front extended on this car, and for these Porsches models, because of the shapes of the panel and because are very exposed for stone chips and I don't know, damages, it's recommended to do a full front extended, not just the front end high impact areas. This is what we did on the car. The car is look amazing. The customer was very, very happy with the end result. And this is what we do all the time. We try to achieve the best what our customer needs and provide them the best services. If you want to be the next customer to us, give us a ring, comment below, contact us by email, and we will be in contact with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon, guys.